welcome to my channel. My name is Ayla and on this channel we do makeup tutorials. So today I've got a classic red lip and winged liner look. It's nothing like the fox eye look, it's just a classic normal cat eye with a red lip. I will be using a Charlotte Tilbury red lipstick. I don't have any red lip liner, but I am going to be using a nude eyeliner as lip liner to do this look. So I've already got my base makeup on and I'm just going to go in straight into the eyeliner. I'm taking the Patricia Bright Rich and Life palette and I'm going to go into the shade Natural Glam, which is this colour here, and I'm going to go over the lid with that colour. I'm going to go into No Games Played. It's like a mauvey, muted, pinky, purple colour. And I'm going to go into the crease with that. Gonna blend that out again a little bit with the eyeshadow blending brush from Body Shop. I want it to be a muted sort of colour, just because I'm using a red lip. I'm going to be doing the black eyeliner now and I'm going to be using the Kiko Cosmetics Ultimate Pen. So as you can see, I'm just taking the Ultimate Pen liner and mapping out the shape of the wing. And then filling it out a little bit at a time. And then I'm just taking it into the inner corner and perfecting the shape of the liner. So now moving on to the other eye. I'm trying to cover and make a sort of shadow because the window lighting was getting in the way. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing on this eye that I did on the other side. So I'm just taking the same shade that I used in the crease, and that is the No Games Played by Patricia Bright in the Rich and Life palette, and I'm just taking that on the lash line. So quickly moving on to the rest of the eyes. I curled my eyelashes off camera and I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash mascara just before I put on some eyelashes. So I'm using the Kiss lashes in the style Peony for this makeup look. I did show these lashes in my last video, or one of my last videos, in my first PR package. I'll link it in the description box and on an information card around the screen somewhere if you want to check that video out. But I did receive them from falseeyelashes.co.uk. And as you can see, the struggle is still very real trying to apply eyelashes, but you know, practice makes perfect. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Red Carpet Red for this classic red lip look. I said earlier I was going to use a nude colour eyeliner, but I changed my mind and decided to just apply it straight from the bullet. This is the makeup look. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!